Alright, good morning, Iris and everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to insert a digital signature into your PowerPoint slide. In this case, is for the certificate. Alright, let me show you. First, you go to Insert, Picture, this device, and look for the document where you have put the signature and insert, and then click the signature you have inserted and adjust it according to your preference. Okay, and all right, let me zoom it for you first. Okay, you click the signature and go for picture format. This signature is in black color. If you want to change and transform it to another color, to the white color, in this case you go for color, you go to picture format. First you need to click the signature, picture format, and color, and you look around here, and in this case I choose this color. Okay, that's all. And in addition, I will show you again, since all of these texts here are editable, you may edit and recolor it according to your own preference and adjust it by yourself according to your situation, according to your preference. And it is nice. You can edit all of these, 1, 2, 3. All of these 3 slides, 3 certificates can be edited. The text, the color, and so on. Okay. You can edit the text and change the color, but let me remind it to you again that this pattern, as you can see, and the logo, both of this logo can't be edited because it created and designed using Photoshop. So therefore you can't edit the background, color, logos, pattern, and so on. What you can edit is the text. And the text that you can edit. I think that's all from me. And before I end this session, let me show you how to export to PDF. Example, you want to export this slide only, slide 2, into the PDF. And you don't want slide 1 and slide 3 to be transformed. You don't want to transform slide 1 and 3 into the PDF. Let me show you the method. First, you go to File, Export, Create PDF, rename it. It's up to you. You want to name the certificate, depends on your own preference. And remember to select where you want to save it and rename it, blah blah blah, and so on. Example, this is demo. I rename it as demo. And for the optimization, yeah, you can choose standard or minimum size. It's up to you. And the most important thing is here, the option. You should go here, the option, click, since this is range all, which means if you select this one, all the slides in the part, all the slides will be transformed into PDF. In this case, you want to transform slide 2, this certificate slide 2, this slide, this certificate into the PDF, and you don't want slide 3 and 1 to join. So you should click the current slide. To make slide 2 to be transformed into the PDF, and slide 1 and 3 won't be transformed since you click current slide only. And then publish options, I think nothing's, and I think okay, click OK and publish. And here, as you can see, only slide 2, only one slide transform into the PDF. So this is made the steps that you should follow. I hope you can understand. If you have any question, you can reach me out through WhatsApp, or you can leave your comment in the FB, not FB, sorry, in the YouTube comments, since I will upload this video into the YouTube. You can reach me out in YouTube comment. So if you have anything, worries or confusion how to conduct step, you can rewatch it again and again and again until you understand. And if you still can't get it, you can reach me out through WhatsApp, or you can leave your comment in YouTube comment. I think that's all from me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye. And see you in another educational video that I will post again in the future. Thank you.